Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change default camera in Windows 10. To get started, you want to go ahead and click on the start menu here, and then you want to go ahead and type device manager. You want to go ahead and click on device manager and wait for it to open, and then you want to go ahead and look for camera imaging devices HP. In your own case you could just actually say camera, but in my own case the word here imaging devices is where the webcam is located. So you want to go ahead and open that. You want to make sure that external camera is installed on your device. Alright, so because this is the internal camera, so you want to make sure you install the external camera. So once you have it installed, what you want to do is to go ahead and right click on this, and you want to go ahead and disable device. Okay, I'm going to click on disable device. So once you do this, it's going to tell you that disabling this device will cause it to stop functioning. Do you really want to disable it? And you want to go ahead and click on yes. So once you click on yes, the external camera you have already installed on this device is going to automatically start functioning. All right, in this case I don't want to disable my HD webcam, all right, because I don't have an external one installed yet. So but if you have an external camera installed, all you need to do is right click, select disable camera, and you want to go ahead and select yes. All right, I'm not gonna disable it, so I'm gonna click no. All right, this is how to change default cameras in Windows. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.